Welcome back to my channel. I'm Stylist Lee, and if you're new, be sure to subscribe below. So today we're going to be doing something very exciting today. We're going to be doing a cornrow ponytail. This is going to be a great protective style, but also for a person who wants to still look cute and dressed up. And also maybe if you're a fitness trainer and you want to look cute, but still have your hair pulled back while you're active, this is also great for you as well. Today, we're going to be using SLRVH hair from the Deep Curly collection, one bundle. This is 16 inches, and we're only going to need one to complete this look. If for whatever reason you decide you want to use two bundles, that'll give you a more fuller and more bouncier look. But today we want to keep it realistic, and we're going to use one. Another thing that you will need is rubber bands, Rattail comb, a clamp, and also something that you may be able to find in your bathroom, or you can purchase from the store. We're going to be using jam today. This is actually a great product for this style. It doesn't get too hard, it doesn't leave any buildup, and it also helps with keeping down those flyaways, keeping the hair look neat, and keeping it soft during the process. Now that you have all the details, let's go ahead and begin. You always want to start off on freshly clean hair. And right now what I'm doing, I'm separating two pieces. I'm going to show you how those two pieces are going to bring this hairstyle all together. So make sure you keep watching. Right now, all I'm doing is mirroring the other side. So I'm going to go ahead and isolate two pieces over here as well. Now that we have completed isolating those two pieces, we want to go ahead and begin by parting the hair down the middle and sectioning that hair off by putting it in a ponytail. For this look, we went ahead and went with big subsections, and we're going to go in with some jam, and we're going to put it near the part area so we can lay down those flyaways, and also it's going to help with controlling those braids and laying it down in the area that we need it. Once you've completed your first braid, go ahead and secure it at the base with a rubber band, and now you can proceed on to the next one. Once you've completed with your first braid, you're going to go ahead and repeat those same steps on your next braid. However, you want to make sure when you're parting the hair, you're doing it on an angle, and always remember to use jam in the part area so you can control those flyaways and to make your braiding process that much easier.
once you've completed with all your braids, you want to go ahead and merge all your braids together by securing it with a ponytail scrunchie. Then thereafter, you want to go ahead and braid that excess hair and secure it with a rubber band. Here comes the fun part. Now we're ready to add in our SLRVH hair in their deep curly collection. We're going to go ahead and sew this on for the ponytail. So this is going to be a glueless ponytail. I'm only going to be using needle and thread, and I'm going to be wrapping that weft around this one braid ponytail and securing it with thread. Now that I've completed the sewing in the ponytail, I want to go ahead and secure the weft area by taking a small subsection of hair, wrapping it around the ponytail, and securing it with hairspray. Remember those two pieces I told you guys earlier to isolate? Well, now it's their time to shine. I'm going to go ahead and pop a few curls in these areas, and you're going to see how something so subtle can really bring a hairstyle together.
So we're all finished. I hope you guys like how it came out. It's super fun, it's super cute. I absolutely love it. I feel it's just an easy, fun, go-to hairstyle when you just want to switch it up. You don't want to do nothing too crazy. You just want something simple, pull back, easy to go. A style like this will probably take about 1.5 hours to 2 hours. It really just depends on how long and how thick your hair is. A style like this can also last you maybe 2 to 3 weeks, even up to a month, depending on how well you take care of your hair. Because we didn't cut the track, this hair is absolutely reusable. So once you're finished and you decide that you want to do another application, you can always wash this hair, let it air dry, and redo this install again. Or if you want to use it for a sewing application, you can absolutely do that too as well. If I were you guys, I would save this as a hair inspiration or a hair goal. I can guarantee you're gonna thank me later. Like I said, this is just a fun, cute hairstyle. It can be used for weddings, birthdays. It can be used for fitness trainers who wants to look cute but still active but keep the hair away from their face. It's so many variations on people who can wear this. I think it's just a great look, and it's fun all around. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to watch the next video in this series, and I'll be sure to put all the hair details below that I used for this video, and I look forward to seeing you guys next time. Okay, have a good one.